Hello, how to find the integer solution of x and y in this equation 7 to the power of x minus 7 minus 7 to the power of y minus 7 is equal to 2400 solution. Then from here we have 7 to the power of x minus 7 minus 7 to the power of y minus 7 is equal to 2400. Let's perform a trick here so we can multiply all through by 7 to the power of 7. Here we have 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 7 to the power of x minus 7 minus this, we have 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 7 to the power of y minus 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Now take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 7 to the power of 7 plus x minus this 7 minus here 7 to the power of 7 plus y minus 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Now here, this 7 will cancel this 7. This will cancel this. We have 7 to the power of x minus 7 to the power of y is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Since we are finding the integer solution here, then s is greater than y. Also, 7 to the power of x is greater than 7 to the power of y. So we can now say that let x is equal to y plus k. Now, if s is equal to y plus k here, we can substitute to the value of s here. We have 7 to the power of y plus k minus 7 to the power of y is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Now at this point, from the same exponential rule, this can be written as 7 to the power of y multiplied by 7 to the power of k minus 7 to the power of y is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Now here, 7 to the power of y is common. Let's bring it out. We have 7 to the power of y bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 7 to the power of k minus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2400. Now let's pair this. This can be paired with this, and this go to this. We have 7 to the power of y is equal to 7 to the power of 7. Let's call this the first case, and the second case is 7 to the power of k minus 1 is equal to 2400. And from the first case here, they have the same base 7. Therefore, the exponent is y is equal to 7. And this is the value of y. Then from the second case here, we have 7 to the power of k will be equal to 2400. If you take this minus 1 to this side, it becomes plus 1. Then this is 7 to the power of k is equal to 2401. Now, let's see, 2401 is, let's divide by 7. This will give you 343. Then divided by 7, this will be 49. Then if you divide it by 7, here will be 7 and 7, 1. So here is 7 to the power of k is equal to, this can be written as 7 to the power of 4. They have the same base. Therefore, k is equal to 4. This is the value of k. Now we know the value of y, which is 7, and k is equal to 4. But x is equal to y plus k. Then y equal to 7, k is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 7 plus 4. Then s is equal to 11. This is the value of x. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 11, y is equal to 7. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation, 7 to the power of x minus 7 minus 7 to the power of y minus 7 is equal to 2400. Now let's see. This is 7 to the power of x is 11 minus 7 minus 7 to the power of y is 7 minus 7 must be equal to 2400. So now here we have 7 to the power of 11 minus 7, that is 4, minus 7 to the power of 7 minus 7, 0, must be equal to 2400. Then here we have 7 to the power of 4 minus 7 to the power of 0 is 1, must be equal to 2400. Now 7 to the power of 4 is 2401 minus 1 must be equal to 2400. Therefore, 2401 minus 1, that is 2400, is equal to the right hand side, 2400, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.